So screen is visible to everyone. Please confirm. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the data we have. We have company code IN11, IN12, US11, US12. We have two profit center, that is laptop and mobile, and cost center group or cost center hierarchy we have created. 01 that is your HR department, 02 that is your finance department, 03 that is your production department. Let's say here if I go for one company code, first of all cost centers are created in the company code level. So let's say for this company code if I want to create, and for laptop I want to create, for this profit center this is the company code, this is the profit center, and let's say for this hierarchy if you want to create 01 that is HR department, HR department. Okay, now let me type all here, all here. Okay, so then I'll type laptop little below, let's say here laptop, so laptop already type mobile. So I have to create for laptop profit center for IN11 one, at least one, at least one cost center for this department, at least one cost center for this department, at least one cost center for this department, for this combination. Then similarly for this combination for IN11, for IN11 and for mobile profit center for this department one cost center, for this department one cost center, for this one cost center. So at least for this company code, for these two profit center, minimum 3 for this and 3 for this 6 cost center is required. Is it clear? Hello, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes.
You're getting now. Next come how you do the codification. Cost centers are 10 digit code, alphanumeric. Now how will do the codification? That is important. So how will you do the codification? So that looking at the cost center, business will follow some codification. They will not randomly create any number. Most of the time, they'll follow some codification. So how will you do the codification? What comes in your mind when you think about HR department for the profit center or company code IN11? What comes in your mind?
It will be a combination between the profit center and the cost center group.
That's right. So that's what. So what? Let's say you have to decide on 10-digit code here. So what code you will give here then?
LA dash LA dash
L
HR
HR. I'm not giving dash. Let's say HR.
0001.
Very nice. Like this you can give, but better than this maybe.
Can also take
Instead, yeah.
a combination of company code, profit center, and department code.
That is also
Even
fine.
we
So
can take a plant code also.
no problem. So let's say IN11, 4 digit you are taking of the company code, 2 digit you are taking from the profit center, 01 you are taking, that is your department, left with how many number? 2 number. That 2
Two.
number is your free number, you can give any number here. Okay, let's say 01. you are creating first cost center, so 0 1. Like this you can decide the minimum logic I'm telling. So this could be the your cost center code. Is it clear? Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, so you can color it in different color also. Let's say this is one color, this is another color, and this is another color. This is another color. So total this many. Similarly, take this one, go to here. Everything is same. It is just that you are changing the department 02. I think this yellow is not good color. Okay. Go to here. Put here 03. Similarly, copy everything. Go to here. And here everything same, only for mobile you are putting MO. Maybe. Okay. That is the shortcut you are taking. Then MO. Then MO. Like this you can create. This is one way. This is the easiest way. Maybe you can follow. Similarly for other company code also. Same way. Let's say for this one. You go to here and copy this. Copy this. Replace IM 11 with US 11. IM 11 with US 11. Okay. So these are the cost center for this company code. So this is the easiest way you can design the cost centers like this. Now, what other way comes in your mind? What other way comes in your mind? Any other thing comes in your mind? Because tomorrow when you go for implementation, they will ask all this codification, or you have to tell them, you have to propose them. Mostly business will be knowing how they want their cost centers, but sometimes there will be very complex business scenario with a lot of logic you have to give. So sometime what I have seen also, if I go here to create the cost center, let's say I'll go to cost center once. If anybody has created, I'll search here. Okay. So now let's say here to create the cost center, you give some information. Let's say you give department, you give cost center category. Okay, you give like this. So you give cost center category here. So these are cost center category. Then you give business area, you give company code, you give functional area. Okay. So some information you enter here. So I have seen sometime anyway inside the mm, cost center you are entering the company code. Okay. So what I have seen in some businesses, they will combine this. Please go in mute. They will combine your cost center category, your company. Please go in mute. Your company code, your functional area, your department, everything they'll combine in whatever code comes, right? That will become their cost center code. So that way also I have seen sometimes they'll follow the codification. Is it clear? So whatever department you have entered plus whatever category you have entered plus whatever hierarchy you have selected plus whatever functional area or business area you have selected, so making sure that it is not exceeding your 10-digit code also will be part of the cost center codification. Fine then. I think we got now how to design the cost center. So I'm going to create now cost center. Everyone is clear, right? How to create the, I mean, how to design the cost center. Correct? Correct, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
concept is clear, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
whenever you design, please be careful. So now we are going to create the cost center. So to create the cost center, T code is in the note everything written, KS01, Fury app, all things are written here. It is just that you have to follow here. See here. To create the cost center, this is the create, this is the change, this is the display, this is the Fury app. So I'm going, you can follow the path also, or you can follow the T code. So go to here and go to here, go to here, here, so here and click here. So first change your controlling area, go to here. Your controlling area is APCA, I think. Is it your controlling area? What is your controlling area? APCA? Let me check it. SC16N. Table is TKA02. Give your control company code and run it. APCA is your controlling area. Give your profit center, sorry, cost center. Give the validity date. Please go in mute. Somebody is not in mute. Please go in mute. So now give your validity date. I'm giving 01/01/2025. This validity date should not be the before the your controlling area validity date. Let's say your controlling area validity date is from 01/01/2025. Then I cannot give here 2024 for the cost center validity. So cost center validity date must be within the controlling area validity date and within the profit center validity date. Cost center validity date should follow the limitation of controlling area validity date and profit center validity date. So hit enter and go to here. Let's say this is payroll cost center. Take this one, put here. Who is responsible? Let's say Mr. X. Cost center category that will create later. So all these are created. You can select one of the uh, category here. So let's say I'll come to
In
here. Let's
cost
say
center category, there is a field called as a functional area,
hmm,
and here it is also one another functional area.
hmm.
That is
So
said for
whatever is default there, it will come here automatically. Okay. Whatever in the category you enter, that functional area will pick here automatically. Okay. I'll teach you tomorrow. Or after right after creating one cost center, I'll show you how to do it. Okay.
okay, okay.
So let's say I want to select HR cost center category. So I'll see which is nearest one. Let's say I'm selecting administration. Then this is the hierarchy which you have created. So this is HR. Give the company code IN11 and give here profit center. So this is laptop. So select the laptop. So now laptop validity date and this validity date. System will check. So this, let's say laptop validity date is starting from let's say from uh, February 2025. Then you cannot create the cost center from January, or before February you cannot create. So this validity date must be within profit center validity. Hit enter. No posting made to. No posting can be made to this. What is this? We have not selected this laptop for this company code. Let us go here.
Maybe it is not
K52.
activated.
No, it's activated. For this company code, we have not increased this one. Come to here. So see what he told. This laptop profit center is not valid for this company code. Okay, so make sure it is valid. What could be the reason that business will not select laptop for IN11? What could be the reason? Very simple. If this laptop product is not going to be associated with IN11, neither laptop is getting produced in IN11, neither IN11 is going to buy nor sell, then do you think that laptop is required for IN11? If nothing you are going to do with IN11, no intercompany for laptop related, nothing you are going to do, then do you need the laptop profit center for the company code IN11? I'm asking because see, this is how business will ask. Business will tell, hey, Sudeep, I don't want this profit center for my this company code. Then what will tell? No, 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 you keep it because you may get problem in this area. Okay, if you don't want, no problem, it will not harm anywhere. What will suggest? What will do here? Hmm? If you don't have the laptop for this company code, do you think that you need cost center for this laptop?
Not
Do you
possible.
need?
No, not
Do
required, sir.
do you, do you need the cost center then for laptop
Yeah,
for
No.
we
this
can
code?
Not
ask.
required.
Hmm? But first of all, do you think that if you don't use this laptop profit center for this company code, will you face any challenge? Hmm?
No, no, sir. If they are not dealing
Business is
with that
saying
car center, with there is
In
no
cost
use of
center,
that.
it is mandatory to take the profit center.
Sorry, what you're telling?
I think it is mandatory to take the profit center in cost center.
can
You're
use
not
it dummy profit
understanding the
center if I'm not wrong.
you're
We
not
cannot.
understanding the business requirement only. You're not understanding. You us our company is Apple, so Apple is producing let's say laptop. So he created laptop as a profit center. Now we have one company code in India called IN11, which is not going to do anything. Neither they're manufacturing laptop, nor they're selling the laptop, neither they're buying the laptop. They're not doing anything with the laptop. So in that scenario, the laptop which is created as a profit center, would you extend that profit center still to the IN11 or not? That is the question first of all. If you tell yes, then why? If you don't extend, then why? Because unless I'm a business, I'm from business side, client side, from Apple side. I'm telling you, you're my consultant. You came to me. You're designing the profit centers. You're going to create. So, but I'm telling this requirement. I'm telling that my IN11, I don't do any business with the laptop. So, Sudeep, do you think that I have to create the laptop profit center for the IN11? If I don't create, then what will happen? If I create, what will happen? Then what will be your answer? What will be your answer?
Sir, I think
What are
profit
you?
center is used for reporting purpose.
Mm-hmm.
So even if we don't manufacture laptop there is also other business transactions are there. So cost center is required. And for cost center, profit center is mandatory. So we should create the profit center for this company code.
See, cost center is, see, cost is originating for what? When you do anything related to laptop. See, this cost center, what is the purpose of this cost center? Can you tell? This cost center purpose is that you are doing some laptop related activities. For that you have an HR department. Let's say laptop you are manufacturing, and for that you have set up one HR department. For that, whatever expenses is getting generated, that you want to capture in this one. But I don't have the laptop only, I don't have in case. In this IN11, I don't have laptop into picture. Then do you think that this cost center is required? Or before this cost center come, my question is that this profit center will extend this to this company code or not? That is what my question is. I think you are not able to understand. Anybody can answer what I'm trying to ask here, because
Yes.
this is how in business it is. This is how discussion goes. Okay, so who
Sir,
can answer? Yeah.
Sir,
laptop's not producing from IN11, then still we cannot able to we won't assign for now, because assigning means we won't get the values that, sir, because that will be misvalued. Suppose that production is not linked to this, the values are not transferred to this cost center, the laptops manufacturing in other companies.
Sir,
Okay.
as per
Any
my
other
understanding,
opinion? Huh. Yeah.
if business is not required at all, it's not necessary to create. We can use it. Still, we can use it. Dummy profit center.
But question is that laptop will extend for this company code or not? That is
Not.
what I. So very simple.
No,
Ah, yeah.
No, no, no.
no.
Okay. Any other opinion?
So still, we keep it this in inactive status also, right, sir?
For one company code, you cannot keep the inactive status. Nah? If you put here inactive, it is for all the company code.
Okay.
Correct.
So then it's not required at all.
Okay. Any other opinion? No problem. See, all answers are correct. Just I want to know how it convince to the business. That's it. Because what he'll tell, that will be recorded. That will be tell that Sarath has told. In future, if somewhere it is hitting, and that time business will tell I'm getting this error, then that time someone is telling, hey, it is not extended because of this, it is telling error. Then they will tell, who asked you not to extend? Then it will, Sarat told it won't be, there won't be any problem even if you don't keep this profit center for this company code. So you think as a consultant where and all it will impact, then suggest you have to provide a suggestion. But as of now, okay, even if you think that nowhere it will impact, then no problem, don't extend. But sometime we also suggest keep as a standard practice purpose. We for all the company code you can keep extended also if needed. Okay, both the way it is possible. If you think that no transaction will be do, and in this way user will not be able to create any cost center also for that for that company code. So you are completely putting full control. You are putting that no posting will be, no cost center will be for this profit center. This is good control, but making sure that it is not going to be required anywhere. This profit center for the company code. This is one approach. Another approach I have seen, since profit centers are created at the controlling area level, they will create for all the company codes until unless business says that I don't want this profit center for this company code. So both way it is possible. It is just that whatever you are confirming to the business, making sure that it doesn't have any negative impact. Okay. So right now I'm creating the cost center. If you don't extend this laptop to this company code, then all these cost centers are not required, which you are creating for laptop purpose. That is not required. So I'm extending this one. I'm activating this one. Okay. So like this discussion goes in the project. Okay. It's not that easy. In the solution designing time, in your discussion time, all this comes into the picture. So you have to, as a consultant, you have to be confident to answer whatever you're answering. Make sure that you are confidently answering, and that is okay. So let us hit enter. You have to come back, go to again, you have to be back, come back, again go inside, give here arrow, give here, give here 0 1, give here laptop, you enter. Okay, so this is the information you given, and then go to control tab. So here whatever you don't want to post, let's say in cost center, if you don't want to allow, cost centers are generally meant to post the expense related transaction, rent, salary, wages, uh, all those are booked in the cost center. Revenue generally you don't book in the cost center, so you can lock it, you can tick, if you tick it, it will get locked, so lock it. And this lock indicator automatically it was there, it is also coming from here only. In the cost center category you have defaulted there, so it is coming from there. Right after this class I'm going to show you. Then go to template, all these things you can leave as a now, this is for mostly for controlling purpose. You can put the address, you can put the further address, and this is the history, and then you can save it. So cost center got created. If you want to change anything, go to here, hit enter. See, you cannot change the code, you cannot create the, you cannot change the controlling area. You can change the validity date, although it is gray out, but validity change is possible. Then you can see here currency picks automatically. See, all these things you can change. Then yeah, few things you cannot change, few things you can change. Okay, now okay, so sometime you may get the requirement to enhance this cost center master data. uh, uh, I mean additional field you need here. Okay, let's say plant one additional field you need. We have implemented for one of the business, either in the cost center in profit center, I'm not remembering. So you can enhance this. Let's say you need one more field called plant here below. Okay, you want to enter the plant also inside the cost center. Then one exit is there, that exit you can use, you can check with the ABAPer, he can bring the enhancement into this master data. Okay, so I don't think anybody has any problem. Now I'm going and teaching you how to create the category, cost center category. So go to SPRO, since Sudeep has raised that question. So go to here, cost and controlling, cost center, then go to master data, cost center. So here define cost center category. So whatever cost center category you give here, okay, that will appear there while creating the cost center master data. See here in the cost center master data. So these are the category. This you have created here. It is 1-digit code. You can create based on your requirement. I 1 2 3 you can create, ABCD you can create. And here whatever you tick here, that tick will automatically, see here W is selected, right? In our W is selected, this one. So you have actual revenue and plan revenue and commitment, these three have ticked it. So see, these three automatically it was ticked. If you come here, see this and this got ticked, this and this got ticked. Now you can default here your functional area. If you default this functional area here, then it will come here, but you have to activate the functional area functionality. There is one more functionality there called cost of sales accounting, which is basically used for the US market. Okay, so once you activate the cost of sales accounting, then whatever functional area you entered here, that will come into this one. Okay, it has one big SAP note is given, because functional area you can give in the cost center, functional area you can give in the GL master also. See here, in the GL master also you can give functional area. Here you can give in the order type, in multiple places you can give the functional area. Then which functional area it will pick, which will give the get the more priority. In substitution also you have functional area. So whoever working as a CEO consultant, they have to know in more detail. See here, cost of sales accounting is here also for functional area purpose. So like this, one SAP note has been published. I know the answer, but there is no point of talking here about that. So like this, you can create the cost center category also, which is created from this configuration. So any number of cost center category you can create depending on your, okay. So, and you can default, these are the parameter what you default here. The moment you choose here, functional area will appear and this will appear here. Is there any doubt in this one?
How this
Any
functional area will be created?
Functional area we have to create now, sir. Suppose we are not created na, in basic
Yes,
settings it won't.
you have to create, you have to first do the configuration, functional area activation you have to do, then you have to do creation, then you have to do assignment here. Okay, you
Okay,
have to
sir.
do it. Anybody has any other doubt? No, right? So is it clear how to create cost center master data? Okay. So I'm going to create one more cost center.